How many are very fluent in speaking, writing, reading and listening Arabic? कितने लोग लिखने, पढ़ने, सुनने से मतलब मजबूत हैं अरबी में? बिल्कुल मतलब कॉन्फिडेंटली किसी से भी बिना तकल्लुफ़ के बात कर सकते हैं. माशाल्लाह, बेहतरीन, मज़ा आएगा. So this is a beautiful dream coming true, which I am seeing at Nadwatul Ulama, and I am very happy to see the crowd, and I wish, hope, pray to see more crowd, a huge crowd of English speakers, rather multilingual speakers, I should say. How many of you are fluent in 2 languages? 3 languages? 3 languages? 4 languages? 4 languages? MashaAllah. What's your good name? 4 languages. You are fluent in 4 languages. You raised your hand. Are you? कौन कौन सी ज़बान है आपके पास? आपने हाथ उठाया था लास्ट में. 4 ज़बानों पे आपको महारत हासिल है. मैं सही हूँ? अरबी, इंग्लिश, उर्दू और मादरी क्या? कौन सी है? भोजपुरी. माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह. So that's excellent. I'll just share one a meeting which I had fortunately with a young guy who graduated class 12th in the month of August 2022 at the Pune airport. And it was, I very clearly remember, it was the month of August, 15th of August 2022, and I met this young chap. He graduated his class 12th, and I was surprised. How many of you using mobile phone, smartphones? MashaAllah. So I was very much surprised and happy. He was a non-Muslim and he showed me his enthusiasm. I met him for 15 minutes at Pune airport on 15th of August 2022. I remember the date because he is a remarkable guy. He told me he learned 7 languages. 7 languages and with his smartphone. After class 12th, 12वीं के बाद, and only 3 languages were Indian languages, and he had no mentor, and he was fluent in reading, writing, speaking and understanding 7 languages, namely Spanish, Chinese, French, and one was it was Italian, I suppose. Italian. In English, in Indian languages, means I should say Hindi was not in that list. English was in the list, and Tamil and Telugu. 7 languages he learned, and only from his mobile. That was the use which he made from his mobile. So I'm still looking for my guys, my brothers, who know as many languages as like that. And he was very well conversant. And one thing more surprising, when he joined BSc first year chemistry, physics, maths, there's a college in Pune, very famous, Ferguson College. He was teaching MSc final year students in robotics. 12वीं के बाद बच्चा जो है मास्टर डिग्री MSc जिसको कहते हैं मास्टर ऑफ साइंस, उसमें रोबोटिक्स पढ़ा रहा था जब मुझसे मुलाकात हुई, और उसका दाखिला उसी वक्त BSc फर्स्ट ईयर में हुआ था केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और मैथ्स को लेके. So my job is to keep looking for talent. And I'm associated with Association of Muslim Professionals, if you understand, AMP. AMPindia.org is the website. We do a lot of activities in 3 E's, we call it: education, employment, and empowerment, and in which we guide students through our mentors and experts and trainers and coaches on career planning, personality development, teachers training, faculty development program. We do job drives and job fairs. ऐशबाग ईदगाह में आपने 1 साल पहले जॉब फेयर रोज़गार मेला सुना होगा, 15,000 बच्चे आए थे. तो we do stuff like that, and we do it for the community purpose. We do engagement with the schools, colleges, universities, and we get the trainers from there, and we provide the trainers there itself. And we do it all for the objective is fi sabilillah, just for the community. So that is our small introduction, and hope to see greater heights inshallah ta'ala. I would like to ask last question. With the help of English, what do you aim to do in next 6 months? I'm asking you your goal plan for next 6 months, next 1 year, next 3 years, 5 years, where do you want to see yourself with English and the education you have got from Nadwatul Ulama? Where do you see yourself?
So we want to build our communication skills in 2 or 3 years, in the next 3 or 2 years. And also after that, we want to speak the message of Islam all over the world. That's our purpose.
Can you be more specific? Can anybody be more specific, that person? That's my last question. आपको जो यहाँ से तालीम हासिल हुई है, जो अंग्रेज़ी आपने सीखी है या इंशाल्लाह आप सीखेंगे, तो अगले 6 महीने, साल भर, 2 साल, 3 साल में आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं?
Social media is a correct tool to spread Islam as we use our language linguistic skills to spread Islam in social media specifically.
More specific?
And moreover, we do street dawas as much as possible.
Street dawas. Okay, that's specific. Anybody else? Please.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I want to pursue law, and I will, inshallah, in next 6 months or in the last of 2024, I will give a law examination which will be conducted in the last of December. The exam called CLAT, and inshallah I will crack it and get admission in law colleges, inshallah.
उसके बाद?
And then I become a lawyer, and the Islamic nations and Islam is in need of a alim and a Muslim and a good Muslim lawyer. So I will feel this need and fill this gap.
दिल्ली जाना हो तो कानपुर बीच में पड़ेगा? Yes or no? If you want to travel to Delhi, will you cross Kanpur? Yes or no? Simple. Say yes.
No.
Why not? There's a road. Okay. Let it be Muradabad. It's on the route. Okay, so Muradabad or Kanpur, you'll cross these cities to reach Delhi. मैं कहूँ कि आप अपना इरादा जज बनने का बना लीजिए तो लॉयर तो अपने आप ही बन जाएंगे.
Inshallah, I will become judge also.
तो जब मकसद जन्नत का है तो बीच के रास्ते तो आसान हो जाएंगे ना.
But this is the nearby goal, and the final goal is to.
नहीं, एक ही गोल, सिंगल एजेंडा. जज.
I will follow it.
से इंशाल्लाह. तो एक जज तैयार हो गए. और कोई? एनीबडी एल्स? ही इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक. इस पे काम कीजिए, बिल्कुल बारीकी से कीजिए, और जिसकी मदद चाहिए. You have already given the attempt? माशाल्लाह, ताली बजाने की इजाज़त हो तो मैं ताली बजाऊँ. मुबारक हो, अल्लाह आपको कामयाब करे. प्लीज़. वालेकुम सलाम.
I want to preach my religion in all world. There are many misconceptions in about Islam all world. Those are speaking against Islam. I will answer all people, inshallah, in my future.
Who's the ideal preacher in today's world whom you want to copy or replicate?
I'll answer the misconceptions of Islam. Those know English and they can't understand any language.
You have not told me your name. Your name?
My name is Mirza.
Mirza.
Yes.
Who you like to imitate or copy in today's world and play a part like he or she is doing in preaching religion? Do you have any idol? मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कोई ऐसी हस्ती है जो दुनिया में आज काम कर रही है दीन को फैलाने के लिए. आप उनकी नकल करना चाहेंगे या उस तरह से बनना चाहेंगे?
Yes, I will copy and I will progress, inshallah, as a Mufti Bank.
Mufti. That was the answer. Thank you very much. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. अल्लाह आपको कामयाब करें. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much.